Hey folks, Luke here. I'm going to show you how to extend your campaign. If you access the home page, you're going to notice up in the upper left-hand corner, upper right-hand corner, sorry. There's your name and your picture. You're going to click on that and you're going to go to My Campaigns. This is your My Campaign dashboard. You're going to be able to sort these by category, by status, and by newest and oldest or name. So you'll be able to sort these all out however you see fit. What you're going to do, let's say for instance we are right now on this campaign, which is ended. And let's say I want to extend it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the Extend Campaign button. And then I'm going to create a new end date. Let's go to August 31st. And that will extend the campaign, and I hit Submit. Once I've hit Submit, it will go for approval, and one of our admins will approve it, and it will be extended. Let's say, for instance, I want to change my funding mode. I don't just want to extend it. I want to make it a store. What I do, I go in here to edit, and you may have to have an admin do this for you, but you will edit your campaign. You will go down to the Keep It All funding mode. Actually, go down to time-based, where it says campaign mode run mode, and you're going to choose continuous campaign no end date. When you do that, you'll have to submit for review, and we will take a look at it and update that. If you are in a keep it all or a time-based mode that is an all or nothing, you must wait 5 days. It must be a full 5 days to wait for the processing of the payments to go through before we change the run mode. Okay, so it must be completely processed before we do that. If it is a keep it all, we can change the run mode immediately. The only ones we cannot do that on is the all or nothing, because we have to wait for the system to trigger all of the transactions. That is how you change the run mode, and that is how you extend your campaign on FundMyComic.